How to solve this exponential equation? 1 power x plus 14 power x is equal to 196 power x. Find the value of x. So you have 1 power x plus 14 power x is equal to 196 power x. Now we divided by 14 power x in both sides. So divided by 14 power x divided by 14 power x divided by 14 power x. Now this 14 power x, this 14 power x will be cancelled. Now from here x same power but different base. So you can apply this formula: a power n over b power n is equal to a over b bracket common power n. So it will be 1 over 14 bracket common power x plus here 1 is equal to we see x same power but different base. So we apply this exponential rule. So it will be 196 over 14 bracket common power x. Now 1 by 14 can be written as 14 power negative 1, then bracket power is x plus 1 is equal to 196 divided by 14, that means it will be 14. Power is x. Now 14 power of minus 1 multiplied by x, that means it will be minus x plus 1 is equal to 14 power x. Now 14 power minus x is same as 1 by 14 power x plus 1 is equal to 14 power x. Now let 14 power x is substituted by k. So this equation will be 1 over k plus 1 is equal to k. Now we multiply by k in both sides. So multiply by k, multiply by k, multiply by k. So this k will be cancelled. So we have 1 plus 1 multiplied by k, that means it will be k is equal to k multiplied by k, that means k square. Now we can write here k square, it will be minus k, it will be minus 1 will be equal to 0. Here you can apply quadratic formula. So you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Now here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1, then c will be equal to minus 1. So k will be equal to minus b, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1 divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now we can write here k is equal to minus times negative 1, that means positive 1, plus or minus square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means positive 1, minus times minus, that means plus, 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so I can write here k is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or k is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. Now remember that 14 power x is substituted by k. So, k that means 14 power x. So, k that means 14 power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or k that means 14 power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power x, imagine that any number. So 14 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 14 power x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 14 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x. We need the value of x, so divided by log 14 in both sides. So log 14 divided by log 14. So this log 14 will be cancelled. So we have x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 base of 14, base of 14. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.